Have you ever pondered the possibility of sharing your daily life with a humanoid robot, a mechanical construct that not only mimics your form and movements but also interacts with you in a seemingly human-like way? Fascinating, isn't it? This is not some distant sci-fi dream but a reality we're inching closer to, day by day. Our journey begins in the mid-20th century with the birth of the first humanoid robot. Named Electro, it could walk by voice command, speak about 700 words, and even smoke cigarettes. Despite its rudimentary design and functionality, Electro sparked the public's imagination about the potential of humanoid robots. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we see a leap in the evolution of humanoid robots. One of the most iconic examples is Honda's Asimo, which debuted in the year 2000. Asimo could recognize faces, understand speech, and even perform complex tasks like serving tea and dancing. It embodied what humanoid robots of the future could achieve. And the future arrived sooner than expected, with humanoid robots like Sophia from Hanson Robotics. Sophia, with her uncanny human resemblance and advanced AI, has become a global sensation. She can hold a conversation, make facial expressions, and has even been granted citizenship by Saudi Arabia, a first for a robot. The evolution of humanoid robots has been truly remarkable, from the rudimentary Electro to the sophisticated Sophia. But it's not just about the technology. It's about the profound implications these robots have on our lives. They're no longer confined to science labs or industry floors. They're stepping into our homes, our workplaces, even our social circles. Humanoid robots can perform tasks too hazardous or tedious for humans. They can work in nuclear power plants, defuse bombs, or even explore the outer space. They can also assist in healthcare, providing therapy and rehabilitation, or taking care of the elderly. Beyond practical applications, humanoid robots can also provide companionship. With advancements in AI, they can engage in meaningful conversations, understand human emotions, and respond accordingly. They may not have consciousness or emotions, but their ability to mimic them can create a sense of connection. To sum up, humanoid robots have come a long way from being a figment of science fiction to becoming a reality. They've evolved from simple mechanical constructs to sophisticated beings powered by advanced AI. They're not just tools but potential companions, assistants, and even friends. The evolution of humanoid robots is a testament to human ingenuity and a glimpse into our future. A future where humans and robots coexist, collaborate, and perhaps even form bonds. It's a future that's exciting, promising, and just around the corner.